Today we are going to be working through the Hyperextension bench, which is a great machine, a great piece of equipment for training your lower back. Now, simply we need to set up first. Generally speaking, the higher the angle of the Hyperextension bench, the easier the exercise is. So if we pull the tab down at the bottom, out, it's sprung loaded, lift up, that sets the bench quite vertical. As you see, we're in quite a high incline position here. If you want to make it a bit harder, we can lower down by increments that are numbered to each level that we want until it's at its lowest position, which is the hardest. And you also need to set up the height of the pad suitable to your body height. So ideally, you want the edge of the pad just where your hip crease would lie. To do that, we've got an adjustment knob down here. We twist and pull, and we can adjust the height in and out. I know for me, I'm at about number 8, and then we screw back in. To get yourself set up on the Hyperextension, grab the handles, or first straddle the machine, grab the handles and place your feet on the foot pad with your heel against the heel pad, thigh against the thigh pads, and then place your other foot in, and it should be nice and secure. From this point, we can then perform the exercise, which hands can be wherever you find comfortable, especially if you're just doing body weight to start with. I like to go across my chest. So arms across the chest, and we lower down with control to as low as you can go. And then again with control, always under control with lower back exercises. Control up until you are in a straight line. So from shoulder through to hip, through to heel, there is a straight line. We're not extra extending like a banana. You have gone straight. And of course, keep going for the number of reps that you need to do in your program. If you want to use weight, it could be kettlebell, a plate, a dumbbell. What I would suggest is place the weight down in front of you to start with, set up on the machine, and then on your first way down, grab the weight, hold close to your chest, or if you're doing maybe a zercher or a straight arm, we can continue the exercise from there. Just make sure that you can get full depth for the proper effective exercise.